Hi, I'm Louisa, Course Director here at Global English TESOL, and I'm also an experienced online English teacher. So we've just released 20 online English worksheets, and I'm super excited about them because I wrote them, and I've been actively using them in my one-to-one Skype classes. Now, these worksheets, there's a few things you should know. Firstly, they're all conversation-based. They've got strong universal themes like work, social media, AI, with a few fun word games thrown in. They're also pitched at intermediate level and below, which is super because there isn't much material around for these lower level learners. So it's great to have something ready for these guys. And best of all, they need minimal or no preparation, which means you could have ready to use engaging material at your fingertips. So if you want to know more, look at the links below.